What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Heavy Crypto, bro. So today I just want to show you how exactly you are going to make passive income with leverage tokens, because a lot of you have been asking for leverage tokens videos, and I'll show you how exactly you are going to look for opportunities in this video. So without any further ado, let's just jump right into it. So first of all, gonna need to create an account, of course, but once you create an account, you're just gonna go straight to where it's written trade right here and click where it's written leverage tokens. So keep in mind that with leverage tokens, it's not like a position. These are just like tokens, all right, and you don't get liquidated. The difference is these tokens are multiplied by 5x. Some of them are multiplied by 3x and stuff like that. So that's a different. So just gonna go ahead and click right there, and it's gonna take you this page, and right here it is also written that trade with leverage without risk of getting liquidated. You know what I mean? So but right here you can see that we've got a bunch and thousands of leverage tokens, and we have other leverage tokens that are multiplied by 3x, and some tokens are multiplied by 5x. You know what I mean? So if you're familiar with leverage trading, then you already understand what I'm talking about here. So right here you can see that we have got doji, we have got wave, and etc. What I do is I go to where it's written 24-hour price change, meaning that this is the price difference within 24 hours. You know what I mean? So you can see that biggest loser right here is HBAR long leverage token, because HBAR has gone down in value. Vice versa, right? Meaning that HBAR short leverage token has increased in value, and HBAR long leverage token right here has gone down in value, because HBAR token itself, if you take a look at it, HBAR has gone down in value. You know what I mean? You can also take a look at it right here. You can see that within 24 hours right here it has gone down. That's why this HBAR long leverage token has gone down in value. So let's take a look at the biggest winners. All right, if you click 24-hour change right here, wow, you can see that Pepe short leverage token has gone up by 10,000%, guys. 10,000% within 24 hours, which is crazy, and this is the reason why I also love these leverage tokens. You can see that Alice short leverage token has gone up by 10,000% within 24 hours. 10,000%, that's like I don't know, it's a lot. You know what I mean? 50x, 100x, shit like that. XRP short leverage token has gone up by 9,000%. APT short leverage token has gone up by 8,000%. So these are the coins that you had to pay attention. So if you are watching my previous video about leverage token, I spoke about XRP. I warned you guys, saying, guys, if XRP is going up like this, you should pay attention to leverage token, because when it starts to go down, XRP, as soon as it starts going down, you'll see that leverage token will pump up very hard. You know what I mean? So congrats for those who took advantage of this XRP short leverage token and made over 9,000%. It's crazy. All right, these are the biggest winners for the day. But before we start, guys, I just want to shout out to our sponsor of this video, which is Get.io. So they keep on coming up with projects, and right now they have this project called Sender AI, and it's very simple to use. What you want to do is you just have to get some Get.io coins, and you just have to subscribe right here, meaning that at the end of this subscription, you're gonna get back your Get.io coins, plus you're gonna get rewards in Sender AI. So, and this subscription has got at least 18 hours to go right now, so you still have like 18 hours to participate in this subscription, but at the end you're still gonna get your Get.io coins plus Sender AI rewards. All right, or if you want more projects, you can just go to where it's written finance right here and click to where it's written staking right here. All right, meaning that it's going to show you all pretty much projects that you can stake and get some rewards and stuff like that. So you can see all the projects right here, and you can just take advantage of these. So let's get back to our video. Let's take a look at app, right? App like this. Let's take a look at it. Boom. Wow, this is crazy. So you can see that app has gone down. All right, you can see this whole thing here has gone down. Let's take a look at daily. You can see that it was up right here, and then it has been going down. That's why today it has pumped at least 10,000%. So I mean, guys, this is very simple, and it's way better to do leverage token compared to, you know, normal coins, and you are more likely to win and stuff like that. So let's take a look at the charts right here. App short leverage token, because it's crazy, guys, and let's see how much it has pumped. All right, and there are many opportunities that you should expect to get a good you should expect to get good return. So look at this, guys, look at this. Let's take a look at daily. You can see that it was just, you know, consolidating. As soon as we got you know, short dump, little bit of dump, this is going to pump to the upside and give us 10,000%. So this is crazy. But there are a lot of opportunities. Let's just take a look at other opportunities. There are many opportunities, but what I've done, I've just listed pretty much all the coins that are under 5x, so that it would be easier for me to look for opportunities. So these are the coins that are under 5x, right? I mean, right here. So I go through them, each and every coin right here. For example, right here I'm looking at Gala token, and let's just see if there's an opportunity, right? Because this indicator is going to tell me whether I should buy it or whether I should be selling it. You know what I mean? So you can see that right here I've got a sell signal right here on Link coin. Sell signal right here means that it's going to have to go down, and you know what I have to do is to go to Link short leverage token and buy it, because it's going to be increasing as the price of Link coin is going down. You know what I mean? This is Link L. This coin increases value when the price of Link is going up. We want Link short leverage token. Should be somewhere else here. This one right here. You can see that after getting the sell signal right here, the price has been decreasing, right? Right here, the price has been decreasing from this point to here. So that's why we got at least 10% today right here. So these are the, you know, techniques that I use when looking at opportunities. We can also take a look at Litecoin right here and see if there's an opportunity. You can see that we got a sell signal right here. I'm just waiting for heavy crypto indicator to load up. Right here, sell signal right here, the green, the red one, and the price has been going down. So if you take a look at leverage token, you'd see that Litecoin short leverage token has been going up in value, which is this one. You can see that it also has, you can see that it has also gone up by 10% today. So, you know, this is really good. And this is how exactly I look for opportunities when it comes to long and short leverage tokens. So if you want to use my tools, comes in a bundle. You can just go to heavycryptouniversity.online, and the link to heavycryptouniversity.online is also going to be in the description below as well. And this is where exactly you can get heavy crypto tools and indicators right here. It's called Heavy Crypto Indicator. Just have to sign up, fill up your details, and make payment, and then you get it straightforward immediately to your email. All right, so that's how exactly I look for opportunities. You know, I just list pretty much everything right here to my TradingView account, so that whenever I wake up in the morning, I take a look at these coins and see and try to look for opportunities. And these coins are more likely to give you 100x, 200x, you know, in a matter of seconds and stuff like that. So let me know what you think, guys, and the link to get out is going to be in the description. Therefore, I'll send the video, guys. Love and peace. Cheers.